Good morning, Southeast Idaho. This is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, December 21st, 2018. Looking at some of the highlights of the upcoming weekend. Today, travel impacts will be fairly low around the area. We will have some morning snow and rain showers that could linger through the day into the eastern highlands. It should all switch over to snow eventually as colder air moves in. The other impact that we'll have today is some strong gusty winds. Already we're starting to see some gusts getting into the 20 to 25 mile an hour range. Those could go a little bit higher, 30 to 35 miles per hour before all is said and done. So high profile vehicles could have some impacts across I-84 as well as up along I-15 from Pocatello to Idaho Falls. There could be some impacts there, but generally snow has been fairly light where it has snowed. So not expecting a whole lot of blowing and drifting unless we had some light snow that was still on the ground from previous systems as well. Looking at Saturday, not much impacts. We are cooler and drier. We still have a few light snow showers lingering across the eastern highlands, and another system kind of skirting to our south along the Utah border, but fairly low impacts with those two areas of precipitation. Now, getting into the next couple of days, Sunday through Tuesday through Christmas Day, we will have some low to possibly moderate impacts. We'll have some snow move in with a system on Sunday. Another system comes in Monday, Christmas Eve, and then possibly another system for Christmas Day. We briefed on this the last 24 hours, 36 hours or so, but fairly low confidence in this system right now. Taking a look at current satellite and radar, we do have some showers across the area, across eastern Idaho. These are generally going to move off to the east. Shouldn't amount to too much, maybe an inch or so across some of the eastern highlands, Pine Creek Pass, heading up towards Teton Pass and Grand Targhee area. But otherwise, it should be fairly low impact in terms of accumulations for snow. Again, the broader impact will be wind today. Looking at temperatures, these are a little bit deceiving. We will have met some of our high temperatures already for this morning. Pocatello already has been into the mid-40s. Temperatures will be falling through the day, and that's kind of expected through much of the area. Even into the central mountains, much of these highs have already been achieved. So we should expect cooler temperatures from here on out. Looking at some of the wind gusts here, these are kind of what we're expecting in terms of miles per hour. We're getting up, like I said, 30 to 35 miles per hour across the Snake Plain, and of course into the central mountains across the higher elevations. But mostly the corridor of stronger winds are going to be from Burley through Pocatello to Idaho Falls. So anybody traveling along those areas in high-profile vehicles could be impacted by that. Taking a look at Saturday temperatures, things will generally cool down about 10 degrees from what we're seeing right now. So cooler temperatures expected tomorrow, but no real precipitation to speak of except for that light precipitation, light snow across the eastern highlands. Now, taking a look a little further out, still not a lot of details to be gleaned from these the upcoming systems, but just wanted to show you this kind of corridor here. Let me grab the pen. Out into the Pacific, we do have this corridor of systems that will be working into the Pacific Northwest the next couple of days. And that's what's going to bring us a system on Sunday, then again on Monday, and then possibly for Christmas Day. But right now, like I said earlier, confidence is fairly low in that Tuesday system. So it does look like we have a pretty good chance at getting some snow before Christmas, especially in the mountains. They'll see several rounds of snow For the valley locations, it could be a little hit or miss. We could have some light snow, but then warmer temperatures on Monday could eat into that snowpack as well. So we'll provide you more details in the coming briefings, and certainly check our website for the latest forecast. Come back tomorrow for another briefing, and if you have any questions or comments, please give us any feedback that you have at these channels. Otherwise, have a safe and good Friday.